Welcome to this channel of all Amway. In this video we are going to talk about the CLA 500. In this video I am going to tell you the whole truth about the Nutrilite CLA 500. What is the CLA 500? CLA Conjugated Linoleic Acid, for its acronym in English, is made from 100% natural safflower oil with high-tech soft gel manufacturing. It also contains ingredients from certified organic farms. CLA 500 are essential fatty acids that come from omega-6. It is found in some foods such as meat and dairy products, and it is very important to supplement it with food because the body does not produce it naturally, and CLA 500 is made from oil. Safflower, since it is the one with the highest percentage of CLA, along with a reduced calorie diet and moderate exercise, CLA 500 soft gels help reduce body fat and maintain lean muscle mass. Nutrilite CLA 500 contains essential fatty acids of plant origin. Does not contain lactose, milk derivatives, sugars, gluten or caffeine. Free of artificial colors, flavors and preservatives. CLA 500 is produced on Nutrilite certified organic farms, which helps the body to assimilate it in a higher percentage and faster, since they are healthy for our body, since they are not synthetic. Frequent questions. What is conjugated linoleic acid, CLA? Conjugated linoleic acid is a type of fatty acid from the omega-6 family that can be obtained from meat and dairy products derived from ruminants and has been shown to have various beneficial health effects. Who can consume Nutrilite CLA 500? Preferably athletes or people who exercise regularly and are interested in achieving a balance between nutrition and sport. 20 benefits of consuming CLA 500.
Número 1.
Helps reduce accumulated fat while taking care of the muscles.
Número 2.
Converts fats into energy.
Número 3.
Helps reduce cellulite.
Número 4.
Helps lower blood pressure.
Número 5. Ayuda a reducir el colesterol en personas con niveles elevados de colesterol en sangre. Número 6.
Helps lower triglycerides.
Número 7.
Helps increase defenses in the immune system. This is because CLA 500 helps reduce inflammation in the body, which can improve the response of the immune system.
Número 8.
Collaborates with the nervous system.
Número 9.
Helps the circulatory system.
Número 10.
Helps control blood sugar in people with type 2 diabetes. This is because CLA 500 helps with insulin sensitivity.
Número 11.
Sight aid.
Número 12. Ayuda a producir insulina. Número 13.
Helps in fat loss, since CLA 500 can help reduce body fat.
Número 14.
Helps reduce abdominal fat and improve overall body composition.
Número 15.
Helps increase lean muscle mass.
Número 16.
Helps improve athletic performance by reducing inflammation and muscle soreness after intense exercise.
Número 17.
Helps energy recovery after exercise.
Número 18.
Improves cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart disease.
Número 19.
Antioxidant properties, helping to protect the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals.
Número 20.
Helps reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Instructions for use. 2 soft gels 3 times a day. Do not exceed 6 soft gels daily. Take it with food preferably. Warnings. Follow the suggested use on the label. Keep the product in a cool and dry place not higher than 30 centigrade. Take it preferably with meals. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use in case of pregnancy, lactation, or in children. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, I invite you to subscribe and activate the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video to this channel. And if you like this video, I invite you to share it so that other people can also learn about this product.